If you are a college fresher or if you are going to join new college, then this is a must watch video for you, because I will be sharing you the most crucial advices. And these are not just random advices, these are the advices from a senior who have gone through the fresher phase. I have literally noted all the points that I need to share by remembering each of them, so that I won't miss out on any of the points. Point number one is, don't be limited within your friends. So what most of the freshers do is that they come with the friends from their neighborhood or from their school or from their high school, and they just get limited within that circle. They don't really interact with new peoples. But in reality, college is a resource where you can make new friends, you can make new connections that are going to be an asset for you in your future life. I'm not saying that don't talk to your old friends or just go and make new friends. I'm not saying that. You can stay friends with your old friends, but don't just make all of your world about your old friends. It doesn't necessarily mean that you need to make new friends. Like, it's totally up on you. Advice number two: don't miss your first class. So what most of the professors do is, like, they feel that first class is not really important, like you just go and pass the time. But in reality, teacher shares the foundation, the basics of the whole course, and that is like one of the most crucial things you should know. So do not miss your first class until and unless it's an emergency. Advice number three: bring all the materials. So what most of the freshers do is that they don't bring the proper material during their first few classes, and they tend to lack making notes and noting the important things down, and that will lead them to doing such things for the whole year and the whole semester. So be prepared from the beginning. Advice number four: dress decent. So I've seen some of the freshers, they are like dressing like a different character, like they are dressing for an Halloween or something in their first class. Do not do that, please. Like, you would not want to grab some weird attention in your first class, especially from the teachers. First impression sets the last impression, okay? Just dress something plain, like a plain t-shirt and plain pants. Advice number five: do not overshare. Like, you have just met a new person, you are introducing yourself with that new classmate, and you have shared about everything. Like, that is not so intriguing, like, you can share your general information, but don't go in depth about your past and what you want to do in your life and what are your plans. Don't share everything, because, like, you just met that person and you don't even know, like, whether you are going to vibe with that person or not. And if you don't really vibe with that person, and if you have to, like, cut the string between you guys, then that person might use those information as a weapon to, like, use against you. And for the fact you are going to stay in that college for like 3 to 4 years, so you have a lot of time to, like, share, to open up. So just don't vomit in the first day, okay? Tip number six: don't force yourself to fit in a group. So I have seen some of my friends, like, they try so hard to fit in that group that they have to fake themselves and they have to, like, completely change their identity. They have to act like a totally different person. But in reality, if you become yourself and if you are confident in yourself, then you will attract your group. Tip number seven: try the extracurriculars. So in the beginning of your college, like, you get a lot of volunteering opportunities or some extracurricular opportunities. So in such cases, most of the students feel a bit composed, like they don't feel that they are eligible enough to participate in those things and what they are going to contribute. So they just don't feel like participating in such things. But for the fact to volunteer or just to do the basic things, you don't really need to be eligible, or you don't really need a particular dedicated skill. You can just go and you can just learn through the steps, and there will be people who will teach you. And extracurricular will also help you to connect with new seniors. And if you connect with the seniors, they will share so much of their experiences and you can learn so much from them. So I'm gonna give some bonus advices as well. So it's okay to feel lonely and confused in the beginning of your college life, and you come up with a lot of expectation, like, college is gonna be so fun, just, yeah, just in a movies, like you get to bunk and you get to have fun. But it's not like that actually, and you might get disappointed. You don't actually have the big group like in movies. but take it slow, take your time, and be yourself, be confident. But just because you are feeling lonely, don't get in the wrong group, because that can ruin your life as well. You can just go and talk to new people, introduce yourself with new people. You don't really need to be friend with them. You can just have some connection, and that will be really helpful as well. So this much was the video. Best of luck for your first year, and take it slow, have fun, enjoy all the moments, make memories, and also remember what you are here for, and do not forget what your goals are during the process. And best of luck for you guys. Hope you have an amazing college life, just as you expected, which might not be like as per the expectation, but it can be better than expectation. So yeah, this much was the video, and if you like the video, then do like, share, and subscribe with your friends who are going to join their college very soon. And hope to see you all again. Bye bye.